In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view stock dividend history in Seeking Alpha. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click on both desktop and mobile so you can quickly check a company's dividend track record without any guesswork. First, sign into your Seeking Alpha account. A free account is sufficient for this. Being logged in ensures you can access the dividend section consistently and see the data laid out in full. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, head to the search bar at the top of the page. Type the company's ticker symbol or name, like AAPL for Apple, T for AT&T, or KO for Coca-Cola, and select it from the results. It's a good idea to double-check the ticker symbol and the company name on the page that loads, especially if there are multiple share classes or similarly named companies, so you know you're viewing the right stock. Once you're on the stock's main page, look for the Dividends section. On desktop, you'll typically find it under Financials, then Dividends, or as its own Dividends tab depending on the layout. On mobile, open the Analysis section and then tap Dividends. If the layout looks a little different, simply scroll down the stock page. Seeking Alpha occasionally updates the interface, but the Dividends area is always clearly labeled. Now view the Dividend History table. This table shows each dividend the company has paid over time, along with key details that matter to investors. You'll usually see the ex-dividend date, the record and payment dates, and the amount paid per share. Many tables also note the dividend frequency, such as quarterly or monthly, and may highlight special or one-time dividends when they occur. Use this history to understand how consistent the company has been, whether the payout has grown, and whether there have been any cuts or suspensions. If controls are available, you can often adjust the time frame or expand the view to see more years. Some pages also display the current dividend yield and the most recent declared dividend near the top, which helps you connect the past payouts to what's coming next. If you don't see any entries, the company may not pay a dividend, or it may have recently initiated one and has a limited history. In that case, revisit the main stock page to confirm its dividend policy. That's all there is to it. Sign in, search for the stock, open its page, and read the dividend history table to get a clear picture of the company's payout track record.